What is going on, guys? Syndicate back at you with a quick video on how to keep your dreads moisturized and how to stop dryness and brittle hair. So let's hop right into it. This video is basically, I'm going to show you guys the products I use, the routine I go through pretty much every day. I wake up with these things in my head, so let's get started. The first thing I do when I wake up is I spritz my hair with water. Now if you don't know, water's like your best friend when you're growing dreadlocks. If you didn't know that, now you know. And you want to start using a lot more water if you want to start seeing like progress with dreadlocks. Especially, it takes forever for them to form their right way. They get into their own routine, their stubborn routine, but they won't stay twisted and everything. So following this routine should keep that in check, and following these tips should definitely promote healthy dreads. So start off, get you a water bottle. If you don't need one, but I just prefer one because it gets it even. You wake up and your hair is dry. Your hair is a root, so it needs water. You just wake up and just spritz your hair with water. It doesn't have to be completely, like drenched in water. Just give it a few sprays around and mix it in there. And another thing, quick tip, is if you go in circles, you're actually somewhat twisting your hair, so you don't want to just mess it up. If you go in circles, you're keeping the bottom of the root, like this part, you're keeping that part like somewhat twisted because you're curling it. So do it that way, clockwise on one side, counterclockwise on the other, and that's how you do it. Anyway, on the back shouldn't matter. Now once that's in there, shake it off. You're going to want to grab some sort of hair defining cream. I'm currently using this Quenching Coconut Curls. I would say anything that promotes curl or frizz define, you can use, nothing too heavy. Some, you want to be somewhat natural. I like using the curling products just because my hair pattern, is really tight, but if you're going to be working with dreads anyway, your hair is going to be tightly compact, so anything that promotes curls you can use. And I'm using this one more time for you. And what I do is I just go ahead and put some on my palm, just like that. Bang. Mix it up and put that in my hair. Same thing, go in circles. It smells really good too. It smells like lemons or something. But go ahead and do that. Maybe a little bit more, depending on how much hair you have. Alright, quick, easy, just rub and go. Bang. That should give your hair some definition, some shine. And the next thing I'm gonna go with is good old softies. If you guys don't know about softies, I grew up with this stuff, and they have different colors, different things that different gels that do different things. This one it's the Herbal Grow one. I've never really read it, but I just know it's good for you, man. The Herbal Grow especially promotes new growth. You can read it on the back of it. It promotes new growth. Now, basically what that is the new growth at the bottom of your dread. Whenever you get your hair retwisted, you're retwisting that new growth into the main stem of your dread. So this promotes that growth of that hair. I find myself retwisting more often using this stuff because it allows my hair to grow a little bit quicker. So you're just going to want to get that in there. Let me show you guys. Just grab some, boom, mix it in the same way, a little bit more, circles, whoop, and you're good. Now you don't have to do all this. After that, you're really ready to go. After you style it and get it, in the position you want it. But this is some other stuff I've been using. Usually when I get out of the shower, it's Cantu. It's shea butter for natural hair. So it's really good. It's the curl activator, like I was just talking about. Activates them curls, keeps your hair nice and tight. I usually use it when I get out of the shower because my hair is wet, and I use that stuff, and it really allows my hair to absorb all the nutrients from it. So when I go throughout the day, it stays moisturized and it's not all dry. Now, if you're having this problem where your hair is like dry, brittle, it's damn near falling out, you find yourself retwisting and finding a lot of dead hair, you should definitely follow these tips. Start using more water. Spritz your hair with water a few times a day, and you should be looking good, guys. It's getting hot out there, so keep your hair wet, keep your hair moisturized, keep your hair healthy, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll be explaining how to shampoo your hair, especially dreads because it's tough. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.